Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome to Akomayo Trading Academy. So, I promise you guys a video on how to navigate the basic Forex applications, right? So, today is the day I want to take you guys through on how to navigate the apps, things to know, basic things to know, how to access the applications, how they help better your trading activities and the rest. So, I'm going to be starting with Tradingview. So, let's go down to it. So, if you log into your Tradingview, the first thing you are going to see is this interface, right? When you see this, kindly head up to this place where you see my profile icon. Click on it and sign up with your email address. Then after you sign up, you come to this place. You search any currency pair or any pair you want to trade at, or be it crypto, commodities, stocks, as the case may be. But we are trading forex, so we specialize on currency pairs. All right. After searching it, let's say you search GBP USDT, GBP USD. GPUSD. So when you come here, once you move your mouse toward it, if you're using a phone, once you click on it, it will show you launch chart and info. You click on launch chart, but I'm not going to click on that because I have my trading view set up already. All right, so I will go to this place where it looks like a ladder, or just see it by the top right corner. I will click on it. Then here are the pairs I trade, so I can easily go into my trading view proper from here. See, my own is showing full chart. Your own will be showing launch chart if you search it here. So my own is showing full chart, so you click on it. I'm here going to show you the basics that you need. The default color on TradingView is green candle is bullish, then red candle is bearish. That is what you're supposed to know. Why my own is black and white is because I set it to be black and white. All right, so first of all, you see these are the tools that I use to trade. Here are where the tools are being situated, right? So if you want to use any tool from here, you can easily click here. Imagine I want to use rail line. I can click it from there and start doing my anything I want to do. So in order not to come here every time and look for what I want to use, I just highlight them, put them in favorite. You can see, so this trend line, you can see it here. It is here because I put it in favorite, so that I can, instead of me to come here now and choose trend line in order to use, I can easily come here, choose trend line, use it, then do whatever I want to do. All right, so just come here. Every tool you want to use, put it in favorite. If you are trading my own style of trading, like whatever you see me do here, just do it, because it is going to be super easy for you. All right, so you come here, Fibonacci tool, put it in favorite. Just see, if you are trading with me, you should do this. But if you are not trading with me, do the ones that you understand and the ones that you want to use. All right, so here are everything I put in favorite: brush, highlighter, rectangle, path, and the rest. So basically, these are my tools. Next thing is how to set up your TradingView interface. How to set up your TradingView interface. Kindly head up to this setting bar here. Click on it. If you want your own to look like my own, you want your own to look exactly like my own, do the same thing I do here. For these borders, body, and wick, do the same thing I do here. But every other thing you see me do here, just copy and paste. Put this video on pause, go to your TradingView. Everything I tick, everything I untick. You understand? The only place where you will have to do your own favorite changes is in colors. You understand? Any color you want. This is not Coral Draw, or we are not architect. We are here to make money. So if you specialize on colors, there is no problem. Come to status line. Everything you see me do here, do it. All right. Scale line. Everything you see me do. Canvas, do the same. Trading, do the same. Alert. One thing you should know about alert is that if you want the market to notify you when price get to a particular point, you can set alert for that. That is one thing you need to know about alert. All right, so this one is alert line. If I set my alert line, it will be either red or green. Only active alert volume, it depends on how loud you want it to ring. Automatically hide tools and the rest. So if you want to set alarm here, event, do the same. If you mistakenly click in this session break, you begin to do lines all over your chart, and it might make it confusing for you. So I would kindly advise you untick it so that you will not see blue line, because some people will end up putting blue line here and search the entire trading view on how to remove it, and they will not be able to remove it. That is that for interface. What else do you need to know? You need to know about the time frame. We have different time frames in trading. We have 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes. These are basically the time frame that are here, right? See them here. Anyone you want to trade, just come, choose the chart will change to that very time frame if you trade. You understand? But me, I put my own in favorite so that I wouldn't waste time to come here and to come inside the box. I just put it out here that anyone I need, I just choose. I need 4 hours, I choose 1 hour, I choose 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, as the case may be. So that is basically what you need to know about time frame. This is a video to show you how to use these things. All right, this is not technical analysis. Good. So this is indicators. So sometimes you see some people using various kinds of indicators. You begin to wonder where to get them in your trading view. It is here. It's here that you get your indicator. Any indicator you want to get, come here, search it, the indicator will come out, click on it, it will appear on your chart. Basically, these are the indicators I use in Forex. All right, when you click it, you come here, you can see your indicators here. But if you want to use them on, click this eye, then it will open. If you click it again, it will close. Then you hide it back in order not to get yourself confused here. This one is for trading interface, not to create interface. Like now, I will create a Komae interface. Maybe that one will be black and white. I will create a Prefer interface. That one will be red and green, as the case may be. It all depends on you. This one is a search bar. This one is the settings I told you earlier. Then this one is if you want the entire screen to be covered with Tradingview. Like you see over here, we have some fine editor trading panel here. If you want everything here to be showing Tradingview, you just click here. Then this camera icon, you can see here they say download image. Imagine I want to download the image in this trading interface. I'll just click here. They will notify me that it has been downloaded. I can open it and check it. Like you want to send analysis for your friend or you want to post in your trading group, you can just do that. Send your stuff. All right. Then you want to copy the image. You want to copy the link of the image. Whatever you want to do, you want to tweet the image on X, you can actually do it. All right. Okay. The next one is, let me explain this other side here. This ledger is for your trading pairs. You get all the pairs that you trade. Me, I love to arrange my own so that each time I need anyone, I'll just come here and search. Imagine I want to trade NZD card. I just click on it, NZD card will appear, I start trading. I want to trade USD card, I click on it to appear, I start trading. So that is basically what this is known for. Then if you want to add more pairs to this group, you kindly click on this plus icon, you search the pair. Imagine I want to add EUR/USD, EUR/USD, Euro versus the US dollar. You just look for it here, add it. See, it has appeared here, you see. So it is very, very easy. So I'm going to come back here and delete it because that is not my trading pair. So this other side is showing the current market price that this currency pair is currently bidding at. So you can see 1.3696 and see here is 1.3696. All right, so that is the current price. So there are so many things here that are not related to my trading activity. So I don't love to get you confused. So this does not concern us. This does not concern us making money from the market. So avoid it. And then you come here. This is time. This is your tools again. Tools that you don't want, you can easily delete them. Then this is a message. You want to drop analysis or you want to drop something vital in the Tradingview space. You can actually do that here. So we'll go back to what happened. I explained here. I think I've covered everything. So basically that is it. So this is all for Tradingview. If you have any question, anything you don't understand, kindly reach out to me so that I will explain further for you. I will move on to the next app. So we are going to interview Forex calculator now to see how it can help us navigate this Forex activity, our Forex activities. So this is advertisement. Any app you don't subscribe to, you always get adverts. So it is very, very normal for apps you don't subscribe to these days. So when you download this app, I think this one doesn't need your email address or as the case may be. Once you download it, it will bring you up to this place. Now check these 3 bars at the left side of your screen. Click on it. You see we have usage pips, premium on the red. We have position size, stop loss and take profit, margin, pips value, Fibonacci and the rest. All these things now, you don't have any business with them. All right, the only place you have business with is position size, and I will tell you why you have to focus on only position size. So once you come here, if it is here, just come back and click on what? Position size. You set it on position size. What this means is that it will help you calculate the amount of money you are going to make in a particular trade and the amount of money you are going to lose if the trade goes wrong. All right, so here current account currency, that is the currency you are using in the market. Basically we are using dollars in the Forex market, so you choose USDT. Then risk amount, the amount of money you want to risk in the trade. You put it, I want to risk $1,000, which is 1% of $100,000 account. Then the instrument I'm trading is the British pound and the US dollar, which is represented by what? GBP USD. If the pair you want to trade is not GBP USD, you can easily come here and search it. And easily come here and search, right? So what I usually do is that I put all my trading pairs in favorite. The reason for this is so that if I want to calculate my stop loss, I can easily come here, click on the pair, and then you see the thing will just open for me like that. The only thing I need is to put my stop loss in pips. All right, so this the example I want to give to you guys is in what? GBP USD. So I will just head up to GBP USD and then explain what I want to explain to you. I'll just come here, click on it, and then choose my what? GBP USDT. So this one is your stop loss in pips. I will show you how to copy your stop loss in pips. All right, so you come to your Tradingview app. Let's imagine this trade has not moved. Let me remove it from here. This is a recent trade we took on GBP USDT. So let's imagine that the trade has not moved. We are still waiting for it to come and pick our word entry so that it will move in our favor. What you are supposed to know is that you come to this place, you want to calculate your stop loss. All right, now see all these stop numbers. Just watch. Let me put this thing so that it will be very easy for me to explain. Which demonstration, so that you know when I'm moving the mouse. So on this 17.0 is the only thing you need from this place. All right, so you go back to your Forex calculator. You come here, you put in 17.0. All right, 17.0. Then you click on calculate. Pay attention to this very well, because if you make mistake here, you might end up blowing your account. So you see this risk amount, it means we are risking $1,000. This unit, it means that the unit we are trading on is 588, as the case may be. Then our focus is in this standard lot. That is where our focus is. All right, so this our standard lot for this risk amount is 5.88 lot size. You understand? 5.88 lot size. Then you now take it to your MetaTrader 5. All right, I will have to use a phone and explain that. What you take to your Forex to your MetaTrader 5 is what? Is 5.88. all right, so I will still explain where you are going, how this 5.88 is going to help you. But what I want to tell you is that back then, when there was no applications like this, before you calculate your stop loss, you go down do statistics, even for that myself. And sometimes after calculating your stop loss, you might discover that the trade has already come to your entry and gone your direction. So this app has played a very vital role, made it very easy to calculate your stop loss and then calculate your trade and know the profit you are expecting if your trade goes well. All right, so that is the help of this Forex calculator. Let's move on to the next step. Forex Factory. This one, let's explain this one now. Now, Forex Factory is an application that helps you, gives you information about global news. This is foreign exchange, so it has to do with global news from different countries. You understand? So this news can actually affect the trading market, the forex market. It affects the forex market very, very well. So if you see a news that is on this yellow label, it means it's a low impact news. You get this yellow label, it means it's a low impact news. If you see a news that is represented with this orange label, it means that it's a mini high, should I say, it's like a medium impact news. It doesn't have any effect in the forex market. All right, but if you see a news that is represented with a red label, it means that it is a very, very high impact news. You can see CPI, and then we have CPI on Tuesday, which is today. We have CPI news on Tuesday around 1:30. So this CPI news is on Canadian dollar. This one is Canadian dollar. So all the pairs that are related with Canadian dollar is represented by the card. So all the pairs that are represented with Canadian dollar, everyone who is trading them will have to know that around 1:30 there is going to be a very, very big spike up in the forex market. So you either trade the news or you avoid the news. For me, I love avoiding news each time there is news, especially when my trade is close to my entry, because the news might end up going in my direction. But first of all, it will take me out, because when there is news, the spread becomes very, very big. So I don't used to trade when there is news. But if my trade has gotten like 3 risk to reward ratio out above my entry, I can trade the news. But if it's still around my entry, I will kindly close the trade. Then after the news, I will enter the trade back and then make my money. Understand? So Depending on your own level of understanding, you know if trading with news or trading with no news, whichever one, you just know that yes, it actually plays a very vital role. This application provides us global information about what is going on. All right, let me tell you what a spike up means in the trading space and how the news affect the forex market. So let's imagine your trade was around this place here, and then the news is by 6 a.m. The news is by 6 a.m. September 25. All right. So when it gets here, this candle most of the time it occurs as a result of news reaction. When the news occur here, this candle can actually spike up to, it's even a news candle, see it can actually move in. This will take it seconds to get to this place. To take it seconds, not even up a minute to get here. All right, so that is what a news effect means. So imagine you place your entry trade around this place here, around this place, then around this place you are waiting for the market to come from here and then come to this place, and then you enter from here and your take profit is here. The news will just come, enter your trade and hit your stop loss and then go its way. So trading during the news needs a special kind of study for you to be able to navigate through that. So that is the help of Forex calculator. So the next one is what? MetaTrader 5. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to explain this in a phone, totally different from this tablet. All right, but I will put the clip on the screen so that you understand what I'm saying. The reason why I'm using phone is because most time we tend to play straight with our phone instead of our laptop or tablet. So I will use Meta 5 and explain this. I'll also do a screen record in that, and then I will share it with you guys, share it on the screen how it is being done. All right, so you clip in this piece like this. Then I'll be using this one now to explain the MetaTrader 5. All right, so let's imagine you want to place this trade on MetaTrader 5. This trade now you want to place it on MetaTrader 5. What you do is that you go to MetaTrader 5. The first thing you will do is you will look for this pair here, which is GBP USDT. You will look for this pair, and on Meta 5 you open it, open your chart. If you want to place the trade directly, you can place a trade. For me, I love to open my own chart. You can see new order chart, properties, depth of market statistics, simple view move, and the rest. For me, I'll open my chart to make it very easy for me, so I'll be sure that yes, so this is the pair I'm operating on. Then you come to this place, right? You come to this place, click on it. So after clicking on it, you click on this arrow. All right, after clicking on the arrow, it will bring you down to this interface. So now what you need to understand is that you are going to insert the number of your stop loss, your take profit, and then your entry. So let me point that out for you in the phone so that you understand. You have to insert the number of your stop loss, after that the number of your take profit, after the number of your entry. Then remember that calculation we went and did in Forex calculator. That is what you will now enter in this other place. All right, so let's go down to business and then slot everything in. So as you can see, I have so many trades here that will confuse you in this place, so I need to remove all of them so that you will not be confused. All right, then after everything, I might leave it or I return it based on my choice. Now it is very much clear. Let me explain. This trade means that if your trade comes into this place, and then goes like this, you will make profit, and then goes like this, you will take loss. All right, so now this 5.43 means that this trade is a 5 risk to reward ratio trade. That is, it is 5 times the profit will be 5 times your stop loss. What that means is that the amount of money you'll be making from this trade will be 5 times the amount of money you used to enter the trade. So if we are entering with $1,000, just know that what we are expecting is $5,000, right? So now you come to your MetaTrader 5, and then you see this line here. See this line? Just watch this line. Let me use this thing. Watch this line. See, just watch it. see where it leads to? It leads to this hash number. This hash number is your entry. You kindly come to where you see your entry, where I showed you earlier that your entry is, and then copy the number you see on the screen, 1.349766976. Then you come to this place here. You come to this place here. This place here. This line now is your what? Is your take profit. You see it back, that blue line is your take profit. So you enter your take profit 1.35899. Then you come to your stop loss. Show you the line for stop loss. Just see the line. That red number is your stop loss. All right. So with this color set, you can know what is going on. Blue means low, red means danger. So if you know what is involved, so your stop loss is what? 1.34806, right? Then you come to this place now. Remember the number that we calculated. Remember the calculations we did in this Forex calculator. Remember the number we are looking at is 5.88, which means what? 5.88 loss size. What you place there is 5.88, right? Then you place your trade. You hear the sound. So that is how to place a trade, how to navigate all the, that is all the things you need to know about the 4 basic app of Forex trading. All right, so if you come here, it means that your trade that you are taking, like this trade now, the market needs to come to this place. It needs to come back here before this trade will start trading. The market needs to come back here, enter the trade, trigger at this ash color line before your trade now will start trading. Imagine the market comes here and then gets to this point. You know that, okay, you are moving in profits, right? So you know that it's a successful trade. So this is all about the basics you need to know about this app. Again, there are so many other things here. This is history, the number of trades have been taken in the account, as the case may be. All right, so these are the basics you need to know. Some people will explain this in a more confusing way, right? This is just what you need to know. Carry this in, go back to your 4 trading application, test them like this, and see how it works so that you can be using it to execute all your trades. All right, if this video is very, very clear to you and you recommend it to other people, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell, as so many videos are going to come. Remember, I promised you guys on how to review a prop firm and prop firm to take. All right, so do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell in order to get latest update as much as we are posting them, to keep you updated and to upgrade your trading experience in 2025. All right, peace and love.